Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to the Isle Evrima. Evrima is the updated version of the game with new mechanics and dinosaurs. First, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on the Isle and select Properties. Go to the Game Versions and Betas tab. There are multiple versions of the game available, and some of them have been abandoned by the developers. Under the Game Version selection, choose Evrima. Steam will automatically download and update the Evrima files. Wait for the update to finish. Once installed, click play and you will now launch into the Evrima version. You can always switch back to another version by repeating the same steps and selecting a different branch. And that's how to switch to the Isle Evrima. Thank you so much for watching.